Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to teach you an extremely simple ICT strategy which you can learn just after watching this video. This strategy right here can make you come up at the top of the leaderboard for these funded challenges, and it can make you pass a funded challenge in literally 1 or 2 trades because the win rate is so incredibly high, plus the RR is incredible. This has actually made loads of people pass funded challenges. So if you haven't passed a funded challenge yet and you can't watch this video to the end, I don't know what to say to you. Watch this video to the end because this strategy right here is a serious strategy, and this is the only one you need in order to finally reach the profitability. A doctor spends $40,000 in order to finally become a doctor after maybe 4 years, okay? And you're not willing to watch this video for 10 minutes long, which will make you more than someone being a doctor, depending on your account size. Will make you more than someone working a full-time job in maybe a day, depending on your account size right here, which it has done for many other people. An ICT video is 1 hour long, which we don't teach you a strategy, and this video right here is 10 minutes long, which will go through a strategy A to Z, which is so simple and can make you more profit than someone working a full-time job. Then there's no hope for you if you can't watch this video to the end. So make sure you watch this video to the end if you haven't passed the funded challenge yet, or if you're not profitable yet, because this right here will make you out, okay? So without further ado, let's get straight into this. So the pairs which this works best on is actually Euro USD and ES, okay? ES, SPX, that's it, okay? GBPUSD, I've tested it, it's not the best, and also commodities, it's not the best. Just literally stick on Euro USD and ES or SPX if you want, but I do recommend Euro USD most. We also go for really nice RR and really nice win rate. The win rate is incredible, and the reason why we go for not like high RRs like 1 to 5 or 1 to 10 is because we want to do low RR and high win rate, so we can risk 2% or 3% a trade. Because if you've got a low win rate and we got like a 10 RR or 5 RR or whatever, then there is a possibility of losing 5 trades in a row, which is very detrimental if you're trading a funded account. Whereas if you're trading this strategy right here, which I'll teach you, it's going to pass you a funded challenge in literally under a month. Okay, so the time which you also have to be on is UTC -4. This is New York time right here, and this is the times that we're going to trade the strategy. Okay, so first of all, we have to trade the strategy from 8:30 to 10:30. Okay, anything after this, do not trade. Anything before this, do not trade. So what we're going to do is from 0, so 12 a.m. all the way to 8:30. We're going to mark out the most recent highs and lows. No, not the most recent, sorry. The lowest point, the lowest high and lowest low which formed throughout this entire range. So lowest slash highest point, okay, throughout this entire time right here. And then we're going to wait for one of these times to be taken out. Look for the change of character, and then literally enter off the extreme FEG. However, it's not this easy, because if it was this easy, everyone would become a profitable ICT trader. It is easy, but I'm going to show you it in the chart example, because there is some stuff which makes you think, okay, is this a valid entry or is it not? So make sure you watch it to that part, because again, you're going to have to watch this video and take it seriously if you do want to finally become profitable and pass these funded challenges and start managing these hundreds of thousands of dollars or even millions of dollars, okay? So first off, let's just say this is 12 a.m., 0000, and let's say this is 8:30 right here, and let's say this is 10:30, okay? So from here to here, this is our trading range, okay? From here to here, this is the time which we just leave the market alone. Let it do whatever it wants, okay? So we're going to let market go up, go down, whatever it wants to do. However, we're going to let market do what it wants, and then we're going to mark out the highest point throughout this range and the lowest point throughout this range. The highest point was right over here, and the lowest point was right over here. Don't worry about this, don't worry about this. Just literally focus on this and this, okay? And then what we're literally going to do is we're going to wait for one of these to be taken out, okay? Boom, this one got taken out right here. As soon as it gets taken out, we're going to wait for a market structure shift. Boom, right here. Or a change of character. Retracement into extreme FVG. And then where we can literally target is a 1 to 2 RR. I recommend 1 to 2 because again, you can risk 2% in this trade. Again, it's not this easy. Let me now show you the chart example, because this is where it can actually confuse you guys in the chart example. But before I do carry on, I do want to say if you want to join the mentorship, it's $50 lifetime. It will change your life. It comes with so much, which will surely make you a profitable trader. It teaches 2 strategies, which I'll never teach on YouTube for free. And the reason why it's $50 is because I'm going to do funding opportunities with my personal capital in the future. And that's really why it's that much. It's cheaper than a pair of shoes. So if you're not willing to invest in yourself, I don't know what to say to you. You have a higher chance of becoming profitable if you join than if you don't. It also comes with a premium indicator, which calculates 90% of the time which way London session will move for you. It also comes with learn and earn, so you can learn and earn while I'm live streaming, live trading in front of you 2 times a week minimum. And yeah, here's some testimonials right here of student results. Let's go on the Discord. You can read all of this for yourself. I do not have to say much. An amazing community we have actually built here. You can read it all for yourself. And literally, this will surely make you into a profitable trader. Here's some more testimonials you can see for yourself. And again, if you haven't joined today, join today, because it is on offer right now, and you will miss out because the offer will end very soon, and I am closing the mentorship entirely very soon. So join today. It's literally only $50 cheaper than any other mentorship, and it comes with, and I really do believe it, hand on heart, this is the best mentorship you will ever join, the best investment you'll ever make. Only $50. It won't change my life, however it has a high chance of changing your life. And also, if you want to pay with crypto or PayPal, email me right here and I'll reply to you very quick, or any other external source of payment. Okay, so let's go straight back into this, and again do the exact strategy which I was teaching you before. Okay, so again, we trade from 8:30 to 10:30. So let's mark out 8:30 New York time all the way till 10:30, which is all the way over here. Okay, and then before this, what we do is we zoom out a little bit, of course, because we're on a 1 minute time frame, and then we're gonna mark out 12 o'clock, so 0000, or 12 o'clock, 12 a.m. right here, all the way till 8:30. Okay, right here. Where was the highest point of this range? The highest point was right here. And where was the lowest point? The lowest point was right here. Okay, and now we wait for one of these to be taken out. Well, in this case, look what happened. Price took out the low. Okay, now what do you wait for? You wait for a market structure shift. It doesn't have to be with displacement. It literally just has to be a market structure shift. There you go. We just formed a new high right here. We also took out this high right there, so we formed a new high right over here. Price took out the high, not with displacement, but that's completely fine. As soon as it took out the high right here, this is a high to me. Why is this a high to me? Because with this strategy, you don't have to look at swing highs or swing lows like this point right here or this point right here. No, a high in this strategy is this. So this is the high right here. The candle before it and after it can't go above this high right here. That's literally what a market structure shift sort of high is for the strategy. Okay, same with when you're when you see a low. Okay, a low is this right here, when the candle before and after it doesn't go below this low. That's literally what a high and low is for the strategy right here. Okay, so there you go. Price formed this high right here, price took it out, retracement into this extreme FVG, as you can see right over here, extreme FVG, boom, a stop loss below the low, which is right over here, and that's the entry. Okay, boom, stop loss below the low, and take profit. I recommend you literally just target 1 to 2 hour, which is right over here. Okay, I'm a real trader. I wouldn't tell you guys 1 to 10 or 1 to 15 RR or 1 to 100 RR. Yes, it might tap into the 1 to 10s or 1 to 5s. However, I'm a really big advocate of just taking profit. Let's see how actual high this actually runs, and it runs 2 RR and then it goes back. So I recommend you just take profit at 2 RR and literally just go with the markets the next time there's a trade. Okay, so another example right here. I'm going to try grill this into your head, because if you just watch it once, it's not going to make you profitable. Okay, anyway, same exact thing. So 0000. Same exact thing like I was saying before. Okay, we're going to mark out 12 o'clock, which is all the way over here, and we're going to mark out 8 o'clock after that, 8:30, and that's our trading time. Okay, why isn't this working? I don't know. 12 o'clock right here, boom, and then 8:30 right over here. And now, where was the highest point throughout this range? The highest point throughout this range was all the way over here, and the lowest point through this range was all the way over here. So we're going to wait for this low to be taken out. So let's see what happens. Boom, price takes out the low right here. We can trade the strategy all the way until 10:30, by the way. Okay, so all the way until right here. Now we just wait for a market structure shift to form. Price hasn't formed a market structure shift yet. It's carry on going lower and lower and lower, which is completely fine. And there you go, we got the market structure shift right here. How is this market structure shift? Because again, as I did say, this is the high right here. But the reason why there's no valid entry right here is because there's no FVG. So just leave the entry right here. Don't force a trade. You have to be seeing an FVG and another market structure shift formed right here. Why? It's because, again, this is the high. The candle before it and after it didn't go above this high. There you go, market structure shift. Got this FVG right here, which formed. Stop loss below the low. And that's your entry right here, okay? Very, very, very easy. Stop loss below the low. And again, as I did say, I recommend 1 to 2 RR, which is right over here, okay? Price still hasn't tapped into our entry point yet, which is completely fine. And there you go. It didn't go to that to our entry point, which is completely fine. But again, you can't force your trades. This is just a trade which you probably missed out on, and just leave it alone. Okay, you might say, well, I missed my trade. Price is going higher now. Just leave it alone. That's what I'm trying to teach you for this example right here. But now let's go to the final example right over here, which will surely show you how to become a profitable trader right over here. Okay, so that one, you missed a trade, but again, just leave it alone. Okay, if you miss a trade, Don't be fighting with the markets. Just leave it alone. So 12 o'clock, which is right here, same exact thing. Where is 8:30? 8:30 is right here. And now where's the lowest point and the highest point throughout this entire range? So the lowest point throughout this entire range was right over here. And the highest point throughout this entire range was right over here, okay? There you go, the lowest point in the entire range got taken. After it got taken, we never formed the market structure shift until over here, okay? And then once price formed the market structure shift, as you can see, it also had some displacement. If it has some displacement, that's a very good sign to you. So as you can see, these candles which break this high right here were very strong. And now where you enter from, extreme FEG. That's literally how the strategy works. Again, be patient. If it doesn't tap into entry, it doesn't. Just go on with the next day. And if you just follow what I'm telling you right now, this will make you a profitable trader. You can quit your job within 90 days with literally this, okay? So take profit right here, 1 to 2. And as you can see, tap into the entry. And it does start running. There you go. You're gonna have to be a little bit patient also. You can't expect it to take profit straight away. If it runs after 10:30, you can still hold your trade. However, don't enter any entry models like this anymore. And also what you can do is you can top up your positions over time. So for example, this price forms another market structure. So let's say you enter a trade right here. If price breaks another low, you can retest imbalance right there and then get into another trade while moving this to break even, just to make more profits in the trade, okay? So that's it for this video. Join the mentorship today. 2 strategies which I'll never teach on YouTube for free. They're so much better than this, and they will surely make you profitable like they have for many others. Again, here's some testimonials right now. You can read it all for yourself. I don't have to say much. And that's it for this video. Follow my Instagram at TraderBills or Bills_SMC, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Take care.